has been almost been now 2 years before itself I got in my mind that I need to write a book. But definitely a lot of other busy schedules, and somehow it has been postponing and not able to do so. And but this was the time, in fact, I thought, and this last from the April month is where I thought this is the right time for me to take it up and then go more deeper. And I would really, in fact, I would really like to thank more, in fact, Mr. Bharat Gopalan, Mr. Prasanna Venkateshan, and I've taken a lot of advice from people who have already been authors, and their advices have really helped me. How do I coin out, and how do we really, in fact, come out with this proper book launch? And also, I would like to really grateful. In fact, Ms. Jyotsna Ramachandran, who runs Author Success Academy. With her guidance, I was able to completely understand also as how even how to become a publishing author, and then so that how we'll be able to grow up. And that has given me immense confidence. And that's what, in fact, I thought I should be writing a book. And this time, in fact, I would like to share one of the thumb rule, in fact, which I always share. Recently, what I did was for Rane TRW. For them, there was a program on innovation. Shared a thumb rule to them that every challenging situation is an opportunity for growth. And this is a challenging situation where I'm really thankful to myself that I have taken this as an opportunity towards the growth. And this from May month is what I started writing the book. And this all has come now, which is a lot of other aspects, a lot of points which is added, deleted. And now I'm really happy that I'm doing this particular pre-launch book event. So this is how I did.
Super, super, Prakash. Super. Now I have one more question in my mind running. See, you have created a book for leadership. May I ask you, who is the target audience for all these, the kind of book that you have created? Who are the lives which will get impacted with these?
Great. The target audience, in fact, I would say that it's more of the working professional. So what I've given is it's a 10 thumb rules, which is for the working professionals to have a constant growth in their leadership career. And that is what this book is actually all about. And let me give you a little more glimpse of what is this more book. I've titled the book as The Mask Leadership. In fact, there are 5 basic essentials which I have touched in this particular book, which I have written down and penned down, the 5 basic elements for a leader. And those 5 basic elements are nothing but I've touched as the productive habits, unproductive habits, the skills, positive feelings, and negative feelings. These are the 5 basic elements where this all goes interrelated hand in hand. And that is what my book goes deeper, in fact. So I would like to share maybe what actually happens. See, the productive habits and unproductive habits is what I've shared here, right? Generally, any challenging situation is coming, and so every human being will undergo a challenging situation. And when a challenging situation comes, most of the time it has happened that people tend to go to demonstrate an unproductive habit, like either blaming, complaining, or maybe lying, or giving excuses. But instead, when the challenging situation comes, are we able to use the productive habits like taking ownership, responsibility, acceptance, patience, and many more? And where is my book is going to help? The 10 thumb rules which I have given here for the working professionals is nothing but during the challenging situations, I am helping them and guiding them how they can stick on to the productive habits like this positivity, taking responsibility. And this is what my book is all about, wherein it's all interrelated concepts, which is productive habits, unproductive habits, skills, positive feelings, and negative feelings. Mainly targeted for working professionals for constant growth in their leadership career. I had undergone most of the other books and referred other books and how a title is being kept. And was thinking about a title called Are You a Leader? And all those things is typed, but somehow is not getting convinced. And then if I already told you about just before, I just told you about my 5 basic elements. Somewhere I got an understanding that the book should be there, the title should be there, which highlights on these basic 5 elements and how do I really portray it in the book. So I've seen most of the leadership models has always been a quadrant model. There'll be a quadrant model or there'll be a hierarchy model. These are the models always been there. And I just wanted to come out with some nice different model where I'll be able to help people understand or help the working professional understand that these 5 basic elements of leaders. And so that what I was doing is I was trying to make a drawing as how better can I make people understand. And as I was drawing, and I came to a conclusion that it was looking like an owl. I was very happy that, yeah, this is going to be my title as Owl Leadership. And I was very happy, very, very excited. And then over a period of time, I just started seeing, is there anything on Owl Leadership? Then there it came. Already Owl Leadership was there and it's available in the market. Then I said, this isn't. Then I thought I should go a little more deeper into my research, and that's what happened. And what is it and how does my diagram look like? And then the more deeper insights when I saw, I was able to get as a mask. The mask is nothing but for the eye mask, which I'm talking about, and not currently what people are using the mask to cover the face and the nose, not that mask. Talking about the mask for the eyes. And that's how then I looked at it and is mask leadership available in the market, and then started getting the trademark, copyrights to it. And those all the basic essentials were supposed to be done. And I started doing this. And that's how I created or got this name, the mask leadership. Now, there may be a point, maybe thinking that, but a true leader's role is actually not to mask, but to unmask. In fact, this idea, when I was interacting with my father-in-law, is what this idea came out. And I did really appreciate him for that question, in fact. And rightly said, but before even we have to unmask ourselves as a leader, the first thing which we need to be doing is, during challenging situations when it's coming, are we demonstrating the productive habits like responsibility, ownership, and acceptance? And only when we're able to demonstrate that, unmasking becomes easier. And if we have to do, that's when my book is actually helping most of the working professionals. So when challenging situations come, these thumb rules are there only, helping them to move from the unproductive habits during challenging situation. They should not use the unproductive habits. Moving from unproductive habits to productive habits is where my thumb rules are going to help all the working professionals. And I would like to just share one point of a story. Where did this thumb rule concept come for me was when I was doing my training for MRF. And MRF, I was doing a training program for analytical ability and problem solving. And that was the time this thumb rule concept has come to my mind, which is really able to go deeper into the participants' mind, and they were able to analyze it and take more deeper. And that's when I thought, this is some thumb rule where we need to take it up and should be starting to write a book on this. So that's where it has come, Jayesh. So that's the whole idea about why this particular book, Mask Leadership. When you said the word called rediscover, the book subtitle goes like this: rediscover the 10 thumb rules within you for constant growth. So I have only this one point. I always share this particular thumb rule also, that every human being knows everything. It is just not that they're not knowing. Every human being knows everything. But the challenge is, knowing does not make any difference. Knowing does not make any difference, only demonstrating makes a huge difference. Why the word rediscover I have kept is, I was talking about the unproductive habits and productive habits. It's like people know it. That's the reality. People know these unproductive habits I have to stop. People are aware that I have to start using the productive habits. But the challenge is, when the real-time challenging situation comes, that's when they are getting to use only the unproductive habits. So that's when, in fact, I've shared that it's rediscovering, that's when rediscovering the 10 thumb rules within you for constant growth. And this is what I'm in fact doing it. In fact, as I shared this particular point, knowing does not make all the difference, only demonstration makes a difference. So this thumb rule helps people in demonstrating. And in today's context, I would really like to add this point saying that demonstration is actually now becoming more and more powerful than knowledge alone. I would like to share this one particular similar with Mahatria. Mahatria Ra, in fact, I'm a famous fan for him and I really listen to most of the things. He shares one principle and his principle is excellent and tremendous. His principle says that it does not matter how much you have. What really matters is what you do with what you have. So it does not matter how much knowledge we have, but what we do with what we have. And that is what I'm also sharing. It is everybody, human being knows most of the things. Knowing does not make any difference. Only demonstration makes the difference. The vision is definitely, I am looking forward to create more strong leaders. And something is very, very necessary and important. There are leaders already available in the market, but more strong leaders as much as possible from my side. And the video in the starting, people who all have come a little early, they might have seen the video. It says that looking forward to create 1,000 strong leaders. And with the mission of creating 1,000 strong leaders is what I'm doing. So how am I doing that is, one is through this book, but secondary, just reading my book alone is only going to create an awareness for us to move on. So I'm going to help also people to start demonstrating it. So for that is what, if I have to really create a mission of creating 1,000 leaders, for that is where I've created a leadership community. I'm sure most of the guests who are already in here, we all may understand, a couple of people have already been a part of my leadership community. But what in my leadership community I'm going to do is, in fact, let me share this particular point. Learning is not a one-time learning happens. It's a continuous process. And every challenging situation will come for every human being. That could be a personal life challenging situation, an official life challenging situation, but I'm sure for every human being, challenging situations will come. But how are we going to really demonstrate the productive habits during the challenging situation? For that, it takes some time. So that's where this leadership community is being built, wherein every week after week, I'm inviting, in fact, it's just not by one single person, I'll not be able to create 1,000 leaders. So I'm also inviting so many other people from the corporate industry itself, people at the vice president level or general manager level. I'm inviting them to my online leadership community. And I'm interviewing them, their success stories related to the leadership competencies alone. So through this, what I'm doing is, learning is a continuous journey and just not a one-time journey. And every week after week after week, listening to most of the success stories of all the corporate leaders is where we will be able to shape up more new leaders and create more leaders. And with the mission of creating more leaders is what I'm doing now. I would request, in fact, all the guests here who all have been here to please do support me and help me in creating more and more leaders. And in case if you all have anybody, also to share them to our respective community. And I'll really be happy for me to take them the next step of creating leaders. Yeah.
Hey Prakash, this is Neeraj Sharma.
Hey, hi Neeraj, how are you?
Good to see you after a long time. Very proud of you, Prakash,
Thank you very much, Neeraj. Again,
and wish you lots and lots of success with this, new
thanks.
journey.
Thanks.
And I was just, thinking about the old college days of ours,
Yes.
wherein you have been known as a very good human being along with a very good dancer. From
Yeah.
dancer to a trainer and trainer to a book writer. Wow, what a journey! But good to
Thanks,
see,
Neeraj.
that you have never stopped, right?
Yes.
And moving towards what you have always liked. And good to see that you connected with so many people in the industry, trained so many people, done so many trainings. I'm
Yeah.
really proud of you and
Thanks.
proud to
Thanks,
be in
Neeraj.
your friend list.
My pleasure, Neeraj. It's all we all support each other
And
here.
I'll wait for my copy, Prakash.
Definitely, Neeraj. Everyone here who is present here will definitely receive a copy of mine. Let me just
Yeah.
add on. Currently, what I've done is I am only launching an ebook, and
Mhm.
definitely ebook copy will be sent. And after 3 months is where there's a paperback which is going to come of mine. That's a hard copy of that particular book. So that's how the launch is going to happen. The launch shortly, the ebook will be coming out in the month of August. So please, definitely I'll be sharing everyone a copy of the ebook. Request to
So
kindly
I
download.
have, so I have a small question on the leadership.
Yeah, yeah,
If
please,
may.
Neeraj, go ahead. It'll
Okay.
be my pleasure.
So during my experience of the 16 years in the industry,
Yeah,
interacted with a lot of other
true.
leaders as well from other industries. Since I was, I'm part of the HR group,
Yes.
so you get to interact with almost all the levels of people
Yeah,
and different sections.
true,
For example, sales, marketing, delivery, operations, call center, and so on.
true.
But then what I've experienced is the leadership style
Mm-hmm.
uh, in a function or in different industry is
Mm-hmm.
different. So do you believe the same? And does your book help all those leaders in the similar way?
The
For an
good,
example, insurance
understood.
insurance sector needs a different kind of a leader,
Yeah.
whereas somebody who's in a defense might need a different kind of a
Mm.
leader, or
Yeah.
somebody who's in a hospitality industry might need a different kind of a leader.
Yes.
So I hope you're getting what I'm trying to say.
Definitely, I completely agree with your point. Definitely, these are the styles. In fact, that's what maybe I'll answer to this particular question to one of the thumb rule which I've written in the book. Maybe that will really help you. The thumb rule is very simple. No human being is 100% perfect.
That's true.
That's one of the practicality. No human being is 100% perfect, so including me, including you. There's so many people, but we cannot live as it is. A leader's role, that's when it comes, is moving towards perfection, and that's when the constant growth comes. As you rightly told, Neeraj, this particular thumb rule, what it highlights is no human being is 100% perfect, but we need to move towards perfection for constant growth. Is, as you rightly said, every industry requires a different leadership style. But there a person who was moved from a telecom industry, he has been throughout working experience, and some people from telecom industry has moved to banking. Some people have moved from banking to telecom or FMCG. There's so many people have moved. But the point is, we need to understand that even when they grow, irrespective of the hierarchies of whichever level they go, that industry for them will be new. And there they will be having more new learnings, more understandings. So the style is actually a flexibility. But that's where I said learning is a never ending process, and it has to go on and on and on. So
That's true.
definitely styles are always there. So in one, I may use one style in FMCG, but I may have to use another style there in telecom. But that's what I need to move towards perfection, and that is when growth comes, a constant growth comes. And rightly said, Neeraj, thanks very much. I believe I've answered your question through this particular thumb.
Absolutely.
Short,
Absolutely.
but definitely I would like to answer more a little later. Yeah,
Yeah.
good.
Thank you, Prakash, and wish you
Thanks,
lots
thanks,
of
super.
success.
Thanks, Neeraj, super. Thank you, thank you.
Hi Prakash, can I speak?
Oh, hi, Sumati ma'am. How are you?
Very fine. Congratulations.
Yes, thank you very much.
I'm so happy to see you in this forum in this way, because whenever I have interacted with you, I'm touched by the energy that you have, the positivity that you have, and it is wonderful that you spend all those things into a book which will become a guide. Because today leaders are
Yeah.
not necessarily 40 plus; they are even in the age of 20 plus these days.
Yes.
That's the change that has happened. Without
Yes.
losing the core values, you want them to be realizing their potential as a leader. So I really wish you write many more books based on your experience. It's
Sure.
fantastic, and
Thanks.
so happy to be a part of it.
Thank you very much, Sumati. It's been really nice that you have come here and this particular good one. Thank you very much,
But
Sumati,
K is
for
also
coming.
here. I saw K, but he hasn't
Yeah,
unmasked.
in fact,
Hi,
Arvam sir did come.
hi Prakash.
Oh,
Stay
hi,
here.
Arvam sir. Yes, sir.
It's
Madam,
such
you are
a
always, Sumati ma'am, your dialogue always comes here, ma'am. When you ask for case, he's there, ma'am. I remember your training session that time. True.
yeah, it's such a great
Yes,
pleasure.
KS sir, my pleasure,
Such a
sir.
great pleasure, to see you growing and
Sure.
also contributing to the welfare of the country and the people also.
Thank you.
I wish you a lot more success, a lot more books from you, a lot more contribution also from you. God bless
Definitely,
you,
sir. A
Prakash.
lot of learnings from from you I've received, sir. Definitely all the learnings I'm imbibing and sharing it, sir. Definitely look forward more.
Thanks.
You know, Bija, the name Bija, when I first saw it, I said he's sowing a seed. And now I'm seeing
Yeah,
Yeah, great.
so wonderful to see that.
Great.
great, ma'am. Sure.
All the
Thank
best.
you very much, ma'am. Thank you.
Hi,
Yeah.
Prakashji.
Hi,
Can I
Prakash.
talk now? Oh, sorry. Ma'am, go
Yeah,
ahead.
maybe even David also want to speak. Go ahead, David.
No,
Maybe then
I think
that time you also speak.
ladies first. Like, I'll wait.
Sir,
My
you
my wife told me how to be patient at home.
true, sir. Good.
Yeah, ma'am, go ahead, ma'am, please.
Hey, hi, Prakash. Sumitra here.
Hey, hi, Sumi. How are you?
I'm doing good. A very, very hearty congratulations to you on this book
Thank-
launch.
Thank you very much, Sumi.
And I'm
Thanks
very
for being
proud of this new initiative of yours. It's really great being a part of
thanks.
this launch event. So my hearty wishes to the entire crew who has supported you in this thing, like so your family members and especially Arvinda.
Definitely.
So, so I just have one question.
Please.
Is there someone who has inspired you to do this, to go ahead with this new initiative? Like, who has inspired you? Who have been your role model or someone?
Definitely, there are many role models, I would really say.
Okay.
In fact, one is I'm certified from Marshall Goldsmith. So even Marshall Goldsmith is one. The second inspiration is I already told you Mahatriyara. I am always been a part of Mahatriyara, and you listen to a lot of such things. So many inspirations I have. In fact, Hafiz Khan is also part of this particular. Now, Hafiz, I saw your in fact name there, but thanks very much, Hafiz. I inspire Hafiz a lot. There are many more. I would really say it's just not one or two. I'm just recollecting people who are here. I'm just thinking, I'm sharing, but yeah, there are many more. In fact, I've been inspired a lot of people, and see, I always feel that every person. We all grow together, understand each other, and grow. So that way, in fact, BNI has been. Jayesh would have told. BNI is one such platform has been really inspiring me more. And the founder, Dr. Ivan Meissner, has been really inspiring even more. The reason, only one point, Asmita, since you asked this particular question, I just shared one thumb rule, right? That no human being is 100% perfect. For my friend, in fact, Neeraj, when he asked this question,
Yes.
no human being is 100% perfect. How we need to move towards perfection for constant growth. This is something which I'm really able to see in BNI, which Dr. Ivan Meissner is actually driving it throughout the leadership teams. BNI, in fact, for people who are not aware of it, let me share. It is an excellent international referral organization where we, in fact, help people in the givers gain concept. And able to see that moving towards perfection is giving constant growth. These are something which I'm able to really be inspiring every moment and day. So that way, Sumitra, definitely there's so many inspiring people are there surrounded by me. It is all our perception. Whom are we seeing? Whom are we with? and that only will create more and more leaders for us. But thanks very much, Sumitra, for asking this question. I believe I've answered your question
Yeah.
as well.
Wish you all the best once again.
Thanks,
And
Sumitra.
looking forward for more such write-ups from you.
Thanks, Sumitra. Really great.
Bye-bye.
Yes, David, sir, please go ahead, sir.
Hi, friends. I've been waiting patiently. I'm a married man, so I'm used to it. Only get a permission from my wife to speak, I'll speak. Anyway, it's a wonderful day today, and I must congratulate Prakash ji and for this event, for this evening. It's a phenomenal thing. It doesn't happen every day. Not everyone can do this sort of event or a book launch, or someone can pen this book. I'm so happy, and I'm more happy because Prakash sir and Jayesh sir and me, we belong to the same organization, BNI, what Prakash was
Okay.
explaining now.
Yeah.
It's so nice that from the same team, we're all here on the platform here.
Yes.
It's wonderful. I have no questions for Prakash ji because on the book, I have to go through it. If I ask him something, he'd say, it's there in the book, I know that, because he would have addressed it. Knowing him for the past about 6 weeks, I know this gentleman is a phenomenal person who would have thought about everything, right? And I'm so happy and privileged to be here on this launch.
Thank you.
Prakash ji, I'll get back to you after I go through your book. I'll definitely go through. I'll have a lot of questions
Definitely,
to you.
sir.
And I know
Wait
you'll have
until
all the answers, right?
My pleasure, sir.
Okay. Thank you
Definitely,
so
sir.
much. Yeah, yes, sir.
No, definitely, sir. During August, I'll be sharing a book to you in the month.
Sure,
of
sir.
August.
Sure, sir. We'll definitely touch base later in a much better times after this COVID.
Sure.
And so nice to see so many of your friends and relatives on this platform here.
Yes.
And especially Jayesh and you. I mean, you're from the same
Yeah.
team. It's wonderful.
Yes.
Take care, sir.
Thank you
God
very
bless you. All the best.
Thank you
very
so much,
much,
Mr.
sir.
Selvaraj.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Bye-bye. Yeah, Jayesh.
And now I would like to also ask, the proud father today, Mr. Srinivasa Murthy, the father of Mr. Prakash Sharma, to kindly, okay, I'll just unmute. And sir, if you can share your feelings at this point of time. Mr. Srinivasa Murthy?
Yes, I am here.
Yeah.
I am
Yes,
very
sir.
proud of his this developing this book as mask, especially mask in the sense everybody will remember this COVID. Nobody is without mask. In fact, when he suggested the name, I told him, you go with your own opinion, no question of asking anybody's opinion. If you want to be a leader, you go to your own opinion. So I said, but take suggestions from them and then be on your this thing, that's all. So I suggested. Anyhow, I'm very happy that he has come out with a good this thing by bringing this book. In fact, he was telling me all these things that previously I was doing B2B and B2C, all these things. He said, I couldn't understand. Then I asked him, what is that exactly? I understood. Anyhow, I wish him all the best for his this book launching, and it should go to greater heights. And I'll search out what are the basics of this sort of book launching. If it may be anybody in the earlier stage, at this stage, anybody has launched any book of such type on leadership or something like that, I'll search out. No problem. It will be on the top. Anyhow, that is my, all of us, we all are having our wishes for him. All the best. Thank you very much.
Thanks, Naina. And happy Naina.
That's great. That's great.
Jayesh,
And also, yeah.
Srikanth here.
share one point. Hi, Srikanth.
Yes, Mr.
Just
Srikanth.
let me share one point. Since my
Yeah.
just father told on one point, Naina, let's share this point to you directly. In fact, as my father told, now go ahead. That is something where I've really learned a leadership lesson from my father. I remember the insight where I'm like to share it here. When I completed my 10th standard, after completing my 10th standard, there are people who only, parents will only generally say that, let's go ahead for studies and then focus on studies. But somewhere at that point of time, I was very focused. I thought maybe I should do some sales. I'll go for marketing, earn some money. That is the reality which I'm talking about. So that point of time, after my 10th exams was completed, 2-3 of my friends are also, I believe, in here. I went for a company and joined as a salesperson, a marketing. Went a door-to-door marketing. Those were the concepts where long before where the door-to-door marketing was there. I remember the company just did it for Zenith Marketing. I remember that very well. And I went and sold on a door-to-door sales a cutlery set. What really inspired me is that day when my father told that if my father would have told, no, don't do that, focus on studies, today I would have really not got that kind of a feel that today I'm capable so much, saying that any new thing is coming, any unknown is also coming, I'm able to accept it and move forward. But that day he really encouraged me. After 10th, going to sales, why do you need this? He encouraged me, go, try, do it on your own. And that is when you will be doing. It's like pushing in the well, and then you will start learning to swimming. And that is what I did. And that 1 month which I worked, it was not for money. In fact, I worked a lot of experience I got in terms of understanding. I believe my friend Tony also came along with me for selling. It's there in this room. I'm sure he could be remembering that as well. But that moment is something very, very important. Got a lot of learnings, which has got sufficient experience. Thank you very much, Naina. That was really, really our time. It was really good. Those all the learnings which is helping me now creating a leader, Naina. Thank you very much, Naina. I'm happy that way.
For you, first of all, hearty congratulations for your book launch.
Thanks, Tony. Tony is my best friend. Thank you very much. Please.
Me and Prakash was just talking about the cutlery set, right? We both were the one we were selling in the hot roads in Chennai 25 years before. Me and Prakash are childhood friends. So yeah. I'm very happy to see that Prakash does everything with the passion. I used to ask him about the dance or about the training. I have learned a lot of training how to execute it from Prakash. So he does things with a passion. So I know about his passion about writing books also. I wish you all the very success for you. I like to see a lot of more books to be launched as soon as possible. I'll be a part of it. I'm very happy for you.
Thanks very much, Tony. Thanks for coming in here. Thanks for coming logging in from Dubai as well. Tony is actually in Dubai, and I'm really happy that people across the world have logged in here. There are people from US have come here. So many people. Thanks very much from Dubai are there. Across India, you all have logged in. That's my really hearty thanks very much to you all.
That's amazing.
Yes.
Oh, yeah, we have Mr. Srikanth.
Yeah. Congrats, by the way, Prakash. Long time,
yes,
and I think I'm very happy for you. And
thank you.
I think you are my inspiration now. And
I will give you a connect, Jyotsna Ramachandran from Author Success Academy. She will help you.
oh, thanks, Atan. Because I have started.
Really yeah, definitely. She'll definitely help you.
I have started, but yeah. But thanks, Atan. All the best. Let us see how many more you launch, and definitely. If I can launch one before you launch. Let us see. One more. Okay. Definitely. All the best, yeah. All the best.
Happy. Thank you very much, Srikanth. Thanks for being in. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
And also to share, Mr. Prakash, I'd now like to call on your sister, Miss Swarnalatha.
Hi, Prakash.
Hi. Oh, hi.
So that she can also share about her brother actually.
Prakash, can you hear me?
Yes, we are able to hear, but not knowing who's speaking. Yeah, Jayesh, there's one more person also speaking. I have who spoke. You can just introduce yourself, sir, and then maybe we'll go ahead, Jayesh.
Yes, please. Sir, if you can please introduce yourself.
I believe it got cut. No issues. Please go ahead, Jayesh. Yes.
Yeah, Prakash, this is Chandrasekharan.
Oh, hi, Bhagavad. All good.
Very nice launch. Very nice to see you.
Thank you, sir.
As usual, full of energy and enthusiasm.
Oh, thanks, Bhagavad.
Nice, yeah. You have achieved a lot for this age. Nice to see you transitioning in so many stages from being a dancer to now probably making other people dance to your tunes.
Oh my God.
Yeah, Krishna wants to say a few words. Just a moment. All the best, all the best.
Thanks, Bhagaru. Hi, Ka. Hi.
Nice to see you. Growing so big. So we would like to see more achievements from you. All the best. Congratulations.
Definitely. All your blessings. Definitely will be able to do. Thanks, Ka.
Prakash.
Oh, hi, Prabhakaran, sir.
How are you, Mr. Prakash?
All good. Thank you very much for joining in, sir.
Fantastic. I want to bring one thing to at this forum. All of us, Prakash, I have been associated with Prakash more than a decade, 1.5 decades. And moreover, the recent experience with Prakash, how committed Mr. Prakash, I want to share it all of us. One program was going on in our institute. I belong to Rane Institute where Prakash was running a program.
sudden dismiss of his grandfather, he heard the news. With a diplomatic and politely, he came and approached me, "Sir, I have an urgent emergency, I need to go. But the program should be continued." So he organized parallelly another gentleman who is on the way to continue his session. I was really admired when the commitment given by Mr. Prakash was really, as a trainer, always I love him. It was lovely and, charming, smiling face always. And it's a trait of the trainer, and he always rose to. And then I take this opportunity to wish you, Mr. Prakash, as your father blessed you and wished you. This, your book, Mask, will never be forgotten because everyone knows the situation, no? So, once again, all the best and best wishes to you, Mr. Prakash, for your future endeavor and many more books from your side. And when time permits, kindly, the nutshell, what is you're communicating in the book, can you share it with us? And then
always, sir. Will be definitely, sir. It'll be my pleasure to share my book to you. I definitely share to everybody. I'll be giving copies, sir.
Once again, best wishes, Mr. Prakash.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you all.
Thank you, sir. Yes.
That's amazing. And now, can I request Miss Swarnalatha, sister of Mr. Prakash, to please unmute, because that was a special request being shared to me. So I request Miss Swarnalatha, if you can please share your moments, ma'am, at this point of time.
Yeah. Hello, everyone. Yeah, I'm Prakash's sister. Yeah, hello. Congratulations. I'm so happy for you. It's been so wonderful to see you on this platform today.
Oh, good. Thanks, Sona.
Really, it's a hearty congratulations, and just that you move on a lot with flying colors, and your books should be really, I'm very sure that it's going to be really truly inspiring. I'm just eager to have it in hand and just read it.
Sure.
And it's been a very wonderful thing that I had a chance to attend your seminar once in Chennai. It was really truly inspiring, and that was a time when I really came to know that there's so much to learn than just being a homely person. There's so much to learn, and I was also so inspired by it. So today, it's really truly a very honorable thing that you are in this platform. So my best wishes to you. So thank you so much.
Thank you very much, Sona. My sister, she's always been there. In fact, honestly speaking, two people, even my wife is there, Aravinda, and she is the person behind this complete book. The front page, you are able to see the complete design which has been done. Aravinda, please unmute yourself, and also please do switch on your camera as well. And all the aspects, in fact, the designing which has been done, every designing has been sending it to my sister, and so many other people are there. In fact, all my well-wishers are there, have been sending to people. Please do, in fact, share your views about this particular design, and which design is more appropriate, better. My sister has been helping there. My Jijaji or my brother-in-law has been helping me there. In fact, I can see my nephew sitting there next to my sister. Hi, Prathamesh.
Yeah.
Good. Thanks for coming. Good. So thanks very much. Thanks, Sona Salawan. Thank you very much for coming, Sona. Definitely learning a lot from each other.
Yeah, it's been really, you have really put in a lot of hard work. I know that. And it's not really easy to write and take out so much time. And it's really very productive now, and it's really going to show up. all my very best to you. Okay.
Thank you
so much. Thank you so much, Ms. Swarna, for your kind words. And finally, I think it's time for Ms. Aravinda Chandra, Mrs. Prakash Sharma to have a final few words. And I also see that our friends are also waiting and eager to see something beyond. So, Mr. Prakash, after this, I'm having some big question for you. Probably that will be the game changer for today.
Okay, definitely.
So, yes, may I request Ms. Aravinda now to kindly share some words of her experience that has been throughout the journey of this book writing.
Sure. Good evening, everyone who has come and who has made this event a success. And yes, I was along with Prakash always, and I always want to be. And thank you
and I'm always happy for him and very much and success for him. So thank you, Prakash, for giving this opportunity to me. Thank you.
Thanks.
Thank you so much, Ms. Arvinda.
All the people are here. I would like to share one point to everyone. See, this leadership is something which I learned even at home. From home, we get a lot of things, right? So one of the aspects is the positive conflicts which comes. And it's very, very important, through which we learn from each other. And moving towards perfection. And even Arvinda says that this is much more better. I say this is much more better. We all move towards perfection. A lot of learning comes from, in fact, David sir, as you rightly told, we all learn from each other, understand. Definitely, sir, I agree with your point as well, David sir. So this is where we really mold us much perfect. And to my understanding, even leadership starts at home itself, to every person, and that's really great. Thanks, Arvinda, for being in, always supporting. She's an excellent wife, Baker, who always supports me at all the times. Thanks.
Always for you. I still remember going to some sessions, assisting him for some training programs in Chennai or outside of Chennai. I used to assist him for training programs like a coordinator, and I used to enjoy. And now also I enjoy designing, and I'll do.
Definitely. Thanks, Arvinda. Good work.
Okay.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much. Okay, to all my
And
other
thank you,
friends,
Jayesh,
I'm
for
100% sure. Yes.
Thank you, Jayesh, for making me speak.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Okay, because I understand when I met you the first time, and it was like after that, it's been like a family. So thank you so much for your kind heart to accept us as a family over here.
Thank you so much.
And yes, to all my friends, I'm 100% sure, and I believe that everyone would like to share a lot of these moments. But again, what I request you is, so there are certain things which you would like to call and speak to that person. That actually gives a lot of joy. So yes, please don't stop yourself. This launch is probably going to end now, but the celebration always keeps continuing. So my kind request would be that yes, please call up Mr. Prakash, and you have anything to share, do share with him. It will be a delight for him to hear all of you on a personal note on his call. And Mr. Prakash would also be loving to speak with all of you.
Definitely.
So now I'm going to probably officially close this launch, because we also understand that we also need to move forward. But yes, the moments always are being lived. The moments are always being cherished. Now I'd like to request my friend Mr. Pankaj also to probably share a few words, and probably we can just go ahead with the closing for the occasion now. Mr. Pankaj?
Yeah, what I can say about Prakash.
You would like to share something?
Yeah, hi. So for Prakash, I can say that he's a man of conviction and dedication, okay?
Oh.
And he has been a great support. And what Prakash has done for me, I can't say that anyone else have done it for me. So there's a lot of story, but all I can say is I can just wish all the best to Prakash, and today his dream is coming true. So all the best, Prakash. Wherever you need me, I'm always there with you. Wherever, whatever you require from me to do, I'm there with you. Thank you so much. Thank you, one and all.
To all your blessings. Thanks very much. Definitely. Thank you for coming here also, sir, for this particular pre-book launch event. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.